Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3set Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the pay attention recording and transcription on your Motorola Edge 60 Neo. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and launch it from the AI app. So open up the Moto AI and go to Take Notes. And here you can try recording business meeting, brainstorming sessions, presentations, interviews, and important conversations. We're gonna click start recording, and here we click it again. Now we click on agree, and we click on start recording while using the app. And it is recording now, so it's very important that you just as you guys can see, it works. The first speaker, when you say something in a different voice, then it will be as a second speaker, for example. And as you guys can see here, it's still loading everything, but it is not 100% correct. So you have to count that in. Sometimes it may just speak some random nonsense. And as you guys can see, still it works just fine. It is taking the notes now from, let's say, a meeting, and we can click on the red button right here with the white square inside, and now click on it. As you guys can see, it is processing the entire note, and here your note is ready. Tap to open. We're gonna tap on it, and as you guys can see, demonstration of a recording and transcription app. Now the key points: the app is currently recording. It differentiates between speakers by voice. The transcription is not 100% accurate, and it is really what I've just said, but much faster. And that's how you guys can be active on the meetings, and that's how you guys can use this recording and transcription method. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.